Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now, as I did say in the last video, we are going to order in some food. Again, we're just going to see how good the food is at this all-inclusive hotel. As I always say, accommodation is one part of everything, but food is also another part of the hospitality industry. So far, the hospitality here has been great. I find the staff very helpful. They help you with the menu item selections. Everybody just has a nice smile on their face, and I'm happy about that, even in these trying times. Anyhow, Judah is over there dealing with the order selections. I was the guy in charge yesterday. Not yesterday, but this morning in the breakfast selections. How was the breakfast yesterday, this morning?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she had her breakfast, she enjoyed it, and I also enjoyed my breakfast too. What are we planning on getting?
What are you planning on getting?
Everything. So, being a millennial, she is in her element. Just clickety clacking on the screen.
You said you wanted a quesadilla also?
Mm-hmm.
You wanted a quesadilla also?
Shrimp, please. What movie we're watching?
SHOTTAS.
What do you say before? SHOTTAS?
Is this supposed to play?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we are going to take in some of that movie they call SHOTTAS. If you are wanting to be a part of Jamaican culture, this is one movie that you should definitely watch. SHOTTAS. It's a.
Yes, I'm not cultural.
I know that.
You look so. This how it starts?
I haven't watched it in a long time, but yeah. Yeah, this is it. Drop in the comments who is your favorite character in the SHOTTAS movie. For me, I think I will go with Mad Max. He's just crazy.
Man just pull out him gun outside my rope.
You don't need no gun, you. You're afraid of nothing and no one.
That just said.
Period.
Swap Mavic.
Just Google and leave it with me.
Alright guys, so we're midway through watching the SHOTTAS movie and our Alright, so we got pizza in that one. What's in this one? Ooh. Drop in the comments if you guys know what that is. And then let's see what else we have. And these, oh, pasta looks banging, babes. And I think this is a burger. Oh yeah, that's what's up. All right, so food looks good. We're just gonna get some eating going on, and then yeah, I'll tell you guys what I think about the food. Right, sir?
This is good.
The seafood pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had it just now. I was kind of wondering what exactly it was, you know? Let's put it in.
Alright, so want to be so creamy.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's gonna be so creamy. No.
one thing that I know, there's no dish that has ever been made on this earth that you do not modify. Facts.
I'm considering.
Bustin'.
Yeah, sorry.
Can't afford that right now.
No problema.
Bumbleclad. Come on, baby.
Boy, lie.
Yes, sir.
Tell them the kind of like a problem.
What is this now?
Yo, a whole suitcase?
I'm only in my lie too.
That's not me, man. That's not blood clot. What's that?
Who lie?
See how we find it. This is everything what we find. We are going to keep. See? What? This is. What you want? What you ask? Tell the weed and the money. The what? You sound like a pussy one.
One boy and a man has daddy.
I know big man. Big man a good boy. Where's that going to do yourself? See that?
You have touched them boy.
Don't do it, Mad Max.
Is it called calamari or just like oyster or something?
No problem.
Yeah, dog named Mad Max. A torture. Name again. Yes, I did. Muscle. This shrimp tastes like a shrimp.
What you want to do with $5 million, man?
Oh, I need some clothes, some shoes, some jewelry, some women.
What you want?
Take the back. Oh, you got any white clip? Wipe it down.
Wait, so you don't like the pasta?
It's okay, but not myself.
It's more sweet than sweet. A good movie, that one. Starting our next movie right now. If you guys know what the name of that movie is, drop it in the comment. Yeah, in the comments.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Y por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá. Y cuando lo encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar.
Alright, so we are ready for dinner, but of course lady. I just always love the ambient sounds of them crickets. It's crazy. Love hearing it. What?
John Legend.
Oh yeah, rocking up John Legend. Look at that. Badong, badong. Okay. All right, ready? Yep. Chilly night. Come here. They're cool. Alright guys, good morning. Yeah, I didn't get to finish off yesterday's vlog, and of course, I don't like vlogging over there in the dark because the lighting is not the best, but overall the food was okay. The first thing that I had as an appetizer was some form of cheese. It was a mozzarella with tomato and basil. Very strange dish, but it was very good. You know, something I've never had before. Judah had some kind of a soup. I never tried it, but she didn't complain. Then for the entrees, I had, what did I have? Oh, we both had ravioli, which in truth I was making fun about it for the whole night, that it was like dumpling and butter. That's basically what it was to us, with a bit of cheese. It was pretty good. I was kind of hoping that it would be like a duck ravioli or a beef ravioli seen as an entree, you know. The other option on the menu was mahi mahi. I wasn't interested in that, so we just stuck with the ravioli. That was fine. And then for dessert, the dessert, I would say it tastes like all-inclusive dessert. You know, it tastes like something that it's good enough, but they're able to make it in mass amounts. Of course, what I like about the all-inclusive package is that if you're disappointed with the dish, you can always send it back and bring something else out or try something different. We were okay with our dinner last night. It wasn't impressive, but You know, we stood through. We took a walk last night. We swung on the swings, as you guys might have seen. And yeah, came back in, watched some more traditional Jamaican movies like Third World Cop. I finished watching that. Yo, it's crazy that Jamaica stopped, you know, making films apart from the Sprinter film that came out the other day. That was amazing. If you've never checked out Sprinter, jump onto Netflix and try to see it's available in your region. But anyway, right now we are actually in the middle of having breakfast. As you guys might be able to see, we have our spread here. We got tea, coffee, and stuff like that, cookies. We have here some pastry, orange juice. We also got some cranberry juice and a bunch of other stuff. If you never caught one of the most recent vlogs that I put out, I raved about the Jamaican breakfast. I'm gonna have that right now. I don't think I'm gonna talk about it too much. I'm just gonna have my breakfast and get ready for the rest of the day. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for being a part of these videos. If you do appreciate videos like these, drop a like on the video and drop a comment. Let me know, you know, what your thoughts are. And yeah, jump over to Soai Eats. Remember, I do have a food channel where I do cook, you know, whether it's Jamaican breakfast, international cuisines. We're gonna do challenges and mukbangs, all those cool stuff over there if you wanna have access to more content. Anyway, remember the 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.